not good. Why? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, I'm figure it out. Let's find out whether you're happy or not. If you're happy, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna check your attendance list first. Is there anybody present today? Nobody? Okay, all of you are here right now. Okay, I'm happy to see you this morning. And we're gonna enter a new lesson today, but I'm gonna remind you the previous lesson that we have discussed in the last week about present tense. Do you still remember what present tense is? Present tense. Present tense.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What present tense is for?
I think the present tense is the talk about the daily activity and then our habits
Right.
and then so for the constant is the real.
Okay, great.
I'm
So,
understand.
can you give me one example
understand.
using present tense?
Because I like bahasa Inggris.
Yes, exactly. For example, I go to school every morning.
Great. Clap your hands.
Can I got the A point, sir?
Yeah, sure. I'm giving
Okay,
you a grade for. All right. Okay. You know that today internet is worldwide spreading out around the world, right? You
Right.
can even just stay away from your gadget, keep scrolling on your gadget all day long. Even just for 1 minute, you cannot stay away from your gadget, right?
But my gadget is lost, sir. I don't
Lost?
know. Yes. So,
I suggest you to buy a new one.
what do you want? So, however, I just join with my family chat.
Yes, you can do it.
Okay. I join with you.
What? Okay. Yes. Okay. Internet is right now is avoidable from everyone, right? And even our daily life is really close to internet. Do you agree with me? Ya, kita sangat dekat dengan internet, right? Yeah. Yeah. We can do anything. We can search any information from internet, right?
Right.
So, I would ask you.
Yes.
What is our in focus, not switch on active? Just the
No. Okay. I
we can
just
we can watch something.
yes. We're gonna find out as soon as possible. That's why I just let you to curious know what is it for, right? Do you know this? DIY?
I don't know. So,
DIY. Is that familiar with you?
Nhà mình vừa như vậy.
DIY means do it yourself.
Yes. Yes, I'm bought
Okay.
something in the
Okay, let's figure it
DIY.
out.
I'm bought something in the
Step by step,
DIY.
right?
yes, yes.
Okay. And then I'm gonna ask you two questions. First, when you want to cook, or when you want to help your mother to cook any cake or something, but you don't know how to make hamboloni, for example, how to make cupcake, for example. So what will you do?
Maybe I ask my friend,
Great,
my sister,
great.
maybe about
Okay.
Lesson book.
Oh, right. Okay, look for a recycle. What about others?
I ask my mom.
You ask your mother first. Okay.
And
Yes, what about you?
I Google.
Googling. You do Googling to search for information about how to cook. Yes, great. And you? Pardon me?
Ulang lagi.
Okay, great. Yes.
But I don't cooking something because I think I'm lazy about
Lazy?
for the cooking. I just study.
When you say you're lazy, so you can't do anything. Just stay on your bed and keep scrolling on your gadget. Okay, I outline your answer. When you want to find out the new information, you can get it from Google, YouTube, and you can find the tips, tutorial, and etc. That's the method that we are going to discuss today. That's about how to make something. Okay, one more question. Well, when you buy, okay, you lost your handphone, right?
Yes.
So you wanna buy a new handphone, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
When
like it.
you buy your new handphone, so what is inside in the box of the new handphone? Tell me.
Apa aja yang
When you buy a new handphone,
Yes.
okay, you get a box.
charger,
Inside the box, there's
I need charger,
unboxing
casing,
handphone. So what is inside of the box?
Okay.
casing,
First one,
charger.
Open the fridge plastic.
Okay.
And then open for the bolts.
Yes.
And I see that cylinder.
Yes.
Maybe
Ada buku petunjuk. Nah itu loh sasaran dia ini.
Charger. Okay.
Buku petunjuk itu proses cara pembuatan.
Great. And you know there's a paper. What is inside of the paper?
Yes, for the
What we-
interaction.
yes.
Information.
Use the on the cylinder.
Okay, instruction, right?
Instruction.
Yes, instruction. The key is instruction or manual.
Yeah.
Manual. Yeah, manual. So
Kami nggak ada
that's
pakai
the
nentek
method that
Mama.
we're going to discuss
Nenteknya di
today
kamar.
about instruction, about manual, about recite, about procedure, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you a video that you can analyze the video. Okay. Well, listen and watch carefully, then it will be attached the subtitle, and you can focus on finding out the message of the subtitle. Okay?
Mana?
Sorry.
No play. Apa ngelag nggak? Oh enggak.
How to make barista quality matcha lattes. First, hi everyone, welcome to lesson 3 of our matcha work. Everyone, welcome to lesson 3 of our matcha workshop. Today, we're going to learn how to make barista quality matcha lattes. First, you'll need a matcha whisk, a matcha bowl, and also some high quality matcha powder. If you don't have a matcha whisk, you can also use an electric frother or a shaker pot. Today, I'm using Crafty's ceremonial grade daily matcha. It's less coffee than other kinds of matcha, and it's a perfect flavor for matcha lattes. So how much matcha should you use for a matcha latte? Typically, we use about 2 to 3 grams of matcha powder. You can measure this out with a weighing scale, or you can use a measuring scoop like this one from Crafty. It measures about 1 gram every time. To prevent clumpy matcha lattes, sieve your matcha powder first. To sieve it, add your matcha powder on top of the sieve and press it gently through. You don't have to shake the sieve. Some coffee shops add a lot of matcha powder to their matcha lattes, up to 5 to 8 grams in a single cup. This results in a more intense matcha flavor, but it can be a lot of caffeine at once. If you like that, simply increase the intensity by adding more matcha powder. Now, we're going to add 2 ounces of water. Before you begin, make sure not to use boiling water. This is because boiling water will cause the bitter notes of matcha to be released. So what I normally do is I use some room temperature water first, and then add boiling water. So now we're going to whisk the matcha. I'm going to use my dominant hand to hold the matcha whisk, and my other hand to stabilize the bowl. I'm going to whisk in an M-shaped pattern and whisk at this speed. So you'll know when you're done when you see a thin layer of froth above the matcha. Some coffee shops also offer their matcha matcha latte is sweetened by default. If you prefer this, you can also add in some honey or syrup. A liquid sweetener is easier to mix in than sugar, especially for iced matcha. Next, prepare your latte with your milk of choice. I like to use whole milk, but you can also use any of your favorite milks. We're going to add 2 ounces of whole milk to make it look like a barista quality latte 3D layer. So to do that, first we're going to add ice, then the milk, then the matcha. So it doesn't mix immediately. And you're done. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be answering some of the questions you have about matcha.
Okay. What do you think about the video? What you can learn from the video after watching the video? Do you like matcha anyway?
Matcha is handsome, maybe?
No, matcha is what? From the video, matcha is a powder that have a special flavor from, I think, I know, leaf, green leaf, but that's special flavor. It's really delicious. You like it? So the video is about how to make matcha latte, right?
Right.
Learn from the video.
How to make
How to make
the matcha drink.
matcha drink, great. Okay.
Prosedur.
Oh,
Prosedur text.
that's about procedure, how to make matcha. So, what is the material mentioned in the video? Yeah, matcha. The material, or the ingredients mentioned in the video? Ice, milk, glass, sugar. Is there sugar mentioned? No. Matcha powder. Yeah. Syrup. Okay. There's some
No honey.
Ada, boleh tambah madu atau
Ada tadi.
sirup atau madu.
and the
Ada tadi tambah madu. Di video tadi.
Ada,
and
katanya kan matcha itu plain. Jadi kalau mau
the
madu
shaker, whisk, yeah, great. Okay, that's the material. So, what about the steps? Yeah.
sih ini.
What about the step? How many steps?
3 steps.
3 steps.
Yes, 3 steps.
Okay. Great. 3 steps. And after this, well, listen everybody. And after this, in the end of the class, you are expected to make a procedure text with your version, with your own version, together with your friends. Okay. And also, in the end of the learning class, you are expected to analyze the social function, structure, and also the grammatical. Okay? Yes. So, I have a material that I want you to watch, and I'm not alone to explain. I will be helped by my friends through this video, and I hope you can enjoy the video and also find out the material, what procedure text is about. Okay?
Dia nggak jelaskan, baca aja, dengarkan aja. Suara
Ini masih kategori memang ya.
Satu jenis teks dalam bahasa Inggris yaitu prosedur teks. Apa itu prosedur teks? Bagaimana struktur prosedur teks? Dan apa saja unsur kebahasaan yang terdapat dalam prosedur teks? Mari kita simak penjelasan berikut ini.
Procedure text is loading.
Lemon extract into the glass. Then, add the water to fill the out of the glass volume. Pour the plenty into a glass. Finally,
Okay. Have you got the message from the video?
Yes.
Is that clear? Yes. Does my friend explain you clearly about procedure text? Yeah. Procedure text consists of three components. The goal, right? Mentioned. The first is about goal, right? And the second,
Kedua,
steps. Okay, langkah-langkah. And the last one. Yeah, you have
Sudah
mentioned
jadi.
before. The powder, this is sugar, this is milk. What is it called?
Ingredient.
Ingredients. Great. So we find out that three components of procedure text. The first is goal. Just decide what kind of product that we are going to make, and the second is ingredient or materials, and the third is
karena
steps.
belum.
Great. Okay, let's wrap it out that it's clear enough. So it's activity time. So I'm going to divide you into groups. Then I want you to make your own version of procedure text. It's free. You can make it vary from trick, tips, recite, what else? Tutorial, direction, and etc. Okay? You get it? Well, okay, it's your turn. I'm giving you around 15 minutes, then you can discuss each other and decide what product that you are going
Should
to
the presentation after that?
Yes, after that, I want you to present to play. We're gonna have a role play. Then, while the role playing is going on, so I want one of your friends take a video. Yes. Because in the following meeting, the next class, I want you to upload it into your social media. Okay. So I'm giving you 15 minutes, and start it from right now. Free yourself. Pre-memory ya. Okay, time is over. 15 minutes is over. So it's time for you to simulate, to demonstrate the result of your discussion. Okay, time is yours to demonstrate. What will you do?
Okay.
Please.
Our group thinking that how to make energy drink, sir.
Yes. Sounds great. Doesn't
You
work.
start. Then well,
The microphone doesn't work.
okay, my our friends, our group, they will presentation about our project about the how make to the energy drink. The first one, we will introduce our members. Consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm Seresi Anita and my friends. And Asmadidan. We have everyone making the jobs. Asmadidan as the documentation. Okay? You can see our presentation. Okay, how to make the energy drink. The material of equipment. The first one. Next.
And then water.
And a glass. Okay, we can do watching about how to make the energy drink. Part 1.
Takuan energy drink.
Okay, next.
Okay, give applause. great
20 lebih.
job.
Udah lebih dah.
This group has already performed a great job how to make energen
Habis
drinks
Waktunya.
with a very simple steps and ingredient, right? So we have already
time
complete
over,
our
time
material.
over.
So for the next class, I want you to check the link that I have shared in your class group, in our class group, so you can fill out the question in my question in the form, Google form. Yes, just click the form and just fill it out. Yes, and for the next class, I will check your video and you can upload it into your social media. Okay? Thank you for today. Are you happy? Yes, are you happy today? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Okay, have a nice day. See you guys.